trees in the breeze, thinking if there's a future for you and me. Cause usually I don't let love take over. I'm drunk with emotions now and can't get sober. I'm blessed when I'm around you. You capture every essence of what a woman should be. There's no time like the present. Beautiful, intelligent, lost, and I'm so hectic. Found love in the Carolina skies accepted. I need to relax and just face facts. I fell for you hard, there's no turning back. No time for doubt, being happy's what I'm about. And you can make it happen if you open your mouth. Wanna protect you, so let me be your shield. Cause I'm asking right now, what is the deal? I'm tired of playing the field, these feelings I won't conceal. Just let me know now because the truth is revealed. I know it's crazy, but I'm honest. No more rain, I'm bringing sun rays, I promise. Let's test our fate in this pot of blue state. Prove our love to the people in this world that hate. And make something magical. Perfection sounds impractical. You're not far from it, that last statement was factual. Our love will stand the test of time, so please keep in mind. When it comes to you needing me, I'm not hard to find. I never thought I'd open up and let you in. Never thought I'd play the game of love and actually win. I start by saying thanks for making life worth living and giving me strength in a brand new beginning. Is it safe to say forever in my heart to stay? Truthfully, I wouldn't have it any other way. It'd be an honor if you let me brighten up your day. I know if you're around, I'll be okay.